Hello, teachers and leaders and support staff and everybody within our education learning spaces. I'm so grateful that you are here in this moment together with me. My name is Lindsey Frank, and by day, I am a climate and social emotional learning coach for a school district in the Chicagoland area. And outside of the school day, I am an education, well-being, and empowerment coach for teachers, for leaders, through my company, The Butterfly Within LLC. I'm going to be partnering together with the Regional Office of Education number 4 to bring you a really special opportunity for learning over summer. And the session is called Be Well to Teach Well. And it's all about supporting and embracing and learning and cherishing our adult wellness within our education spaces, both in and out of the classroom. So for our learning journey, it will actually be in person, which is really exciting. And it's from 9 to 2 on August 4th. So Region 4, August 4th. It's good to remember that. And for our learning journey, you will be walking away with what I like to call a resilience plan. We don't know what the upcoming school year has in store for us, but at least we can have something as a compass, as a guide, as a map to help us through anything that comes our way. After our session, you also have access to an online learning community that I will be supporting together with you, with others who are learning alongside of us, ongoing. So that could be something if you're interested in tapping into as well. Also, for this session, I'm offering the opportunity to have wellness coaching together with me for your well-being, and so that you are ready and you feel supported. So you get to choose how this learning looks for you, because we know everybody has their own style. But what we know absolutely for sure is that we need to make sure that well-being is the foundation of education. And that starts with you, because our nervous system regulates all of the nervous systems around us. Whether we're teaching, we're leading, we're with families, our own families is essential, absolutely essential. And once we are able to experience that, then we can share that with students too, or with teachers that we're leading. So I hope that you can join me, and I hope you feel inspired, because I'm super excited to be able to connect with you, to see you, to meet you, to learn and support you along your way. So again, it is August 4th from 9 to 2 in person at the Regional Office of Education number 4 office. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me or reach out to the ROE. And also, for those of you who are attending my session, as a special gift or a way for you to also support your students and yourself, everybody will be receiving a copy of my children's book, Big Change, Better You, Beautiful World. And it's all about change and resilience through that lens of the butterfly. So I look forward to meeting you, and as always, the butterfly within me sees, honors, and values the butterfly within you. Have a wonderful rest of your day today. Bye-bye for now.